Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. I'm happy you're here with me today. And I'm excited to show you how to make this really cute card. I'm using the Everything's Festive stamp set, the Starburst Punch. I've got Night of Navy ink, Balmy Blue, and Pacific. Oh no, that's a different card. I'm using Night of Navy and Delicata Copper ink. FYI on this Delicata ink, it is still available as far as I know at the moment. However, the refill for it is no longer available. So if you want it, you can still buy it, but you cannot get the refill. And I didn't get the refill, so I probably will be throwing it away, sadly. Or if you did get the refill and you want my ink pad, leave me a comment and let me know, and I will send it to you. So I'm just taking this stamp and stamping all around the edges. And the thing I did not show you was I'm using the So Many Stars stamp set. So I have no idea why I didn't show you that. You know, life has been crazy. You all know that. And so these videos here, the next couple videos, are videos actually recorded quite some time ago. It's kind of funny because this nail polish, I have not worn this nail polish in like several weeks. So it's funny looking back and seeing the different color nail polish. So anyway, I'm stamping and you can see I really didn't cover the center. I just want to mainly get around the outside edges. Here's the stamp set. Has these two different clusters of stars. Really, really, really cute. I'm using Old Olive cardstock. It's cut at 3.5 by 4.5. And I'm going to put Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of those. These are a must-have in every craft room. I'm telling you, I do not know how anybody functions without dimensionals so that they can pop up certain pieces on their cards. I have the hardest. The only time I can make a flat one-layer card is if I'm doing a lot of fancy coloring or watercoloring or like building a scene. Then it's okay. But other than that, man, I've got to have lots of pieces and parts to my cards. I just like it. I like the way it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and center that in on my card base. And then you can see those beautiful stars peeking out around the edges. And then I've got a piece of 3x4 brightly gleaming designer series paper. This paper is available currently. It was on back order, but it's not anymore. So if you want to get that, you can. I'm recording this on Monday. I'm leaving for On Stage on Thursday. So I'm pretty excited about that. Just trying to get everything going and ready. These are thank you cards for my customers that purchased from me in October. So these have already been mailed out. So if you purchased anything from me in October, you would have received one of these cards from me. We're going to use Night of Navy ink here, ink it up with the Merry and Bright stamp it down, and then we're going to punch it with the Starburst Punch. I love punches because they make life so simple. The other thing is, I mentioned other thank yous. I am going to have to be very, very busy in the coming days making lots of thank you cards. I can't even tell you how many people have poured into our lives over the past month, and especially the last couple of weeks, that have been so kind and beautiful to us in the passing of my grandfather. And so I have lots of thank you cards to make. So you're going to get to see them because I want to make some special ones. I don't want to rush that. So anyway, that's the finished card. How simple is that? It's beautiful, turned out great, and super simple. Anybody could make it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want any of the products, you can shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com. The links are below the video, and they are also listed over on my website. So if you have any questions, you can comment below, message me, email me, or yeah, that's it. Talk to you later. Bye.